are going to fetch baby's cake. I ordered a cake at One More Bite on Wednesday, last minute things, and his birthday is on Monday. Likely she agreed, she didn't have a problem, and we're going to fetch it now at Sasol Garage Receipt. Can't believe my son is turning 1 year in a few days, eh? Happy birthday, Fana.
What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury, I like fancy things, shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you take me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury, I like fancy things, shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. I work too hard on my luxury. We come so far, luxury. Cover these scars and diamonds, luxury. Every day I'm alive, it's giving lux, yeah. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la. I work too hard, no mind. We come so far. You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy.
Hey guys, so I just want to quickly show you what I bought at Discam. So I got baby this medicine because he's not feeling well. Then I also bought the sweets, and then at Checkers I bought this purity. I bought 3. So there's usually a special where you buy 4 for 50, so I didn't find it, so I decided to buy 3. I also bought this cream I don't know what they call it, tasty treats. And then I also bought bread. So yeah, man, I enjoyed my birthday. I really enjoyed it. Like, good night, guys. Good night. I really did it. I really did like.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's a Sunday, and Sundays are usually the day of Neni. So I'm with baby. So Neni left around 7 a.m. Guys, she has not cooked pop, and Sundays ne aba engine chumo total. Like, she doesn't really do anything. Like, when we say it's her day off, it's her day off. I'm not sure on one of the vlogs if I told you where we found her, but then Shoshokwana, it was fast. We fired the one that was complaining about. So yeah, right now I want to quickly bath baby. I'm finished bathing. It is 9:15 and fana so I just want to quickly change his nappy and then bath him, and then we'll relax. I'll try vlog there and there. I'm not promising a full vlog of today, but yeah guys, let's go. Let me just show you something ne. So yesterday I did the laundry. I told her that I'll do the laundry with the machine, and Wanabataneka, so she just left the clothes like this. I was busy checking, most of them are dry, and she's not gonna touch them today. She'll look at them tomorrow, Monday morning, ne? And then also the pop, she has not cooked it. Yesterday, Saturday, she was just watching TV, and then yeah, she was just watching TV. Utandono's table. She didn't check, and then she went to eat around 5:30. She usually knocks off at 6, guys. So I have decided that I'll talk to her later when she comes back and tell her that she needs to change her ways, hey, because I don't like what she's doing. Because most of the time what I've observed, like pop, she'll cook pop on Friday, and then Saturday we'll eat it. Obviously it will finish by Saturday night. She doesn't like cook again if she sees that the pulp is almost finished, and she knows that Sunday she does not do anything. Guys, when I say she does not do anything, she doesn't not even touch baby. Like, that's how it is. And also the dishes, like she will drink her tea and plate, she'll just put them on the sink even if there are no dishes there. Like, that's how, like, when I say she does not do anything, she does not do anything. So I know to put because now I'm busy with baby, and yesterday we cooked, me and my sister. Yeah guys, let me just quickly do change his nappy and bath him before it gets chaotic. Baby shark, Cocomelon. Fana. Hey, Fana.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if.
Hey guys, so I just finished bathing baby. I want to quickly make breakfast. I saw he was a bit sleepy. I know like around 10, 10:30 he'll be sleeping, so I just want to quickly make myself breakfast and him porridge. I didn't vlog much when I was bathing him because I didn't want to expose his nakedness, due to the fact that right now the GBV is trending, the Kwekwe case and the other cases on the news, so I just didn't want to expose him. Fana, so yeah guys, let me quickly make breakfast and we'll see. Maybe we'll try to vlog later because right now it's a bit chaotic. Let me just show you how the kitchen is before I make my breakfast. So the nanny washes her dishes and then she puts them here until, since I told you that today it's Sunday, she's not gonna touch them, so it will be like this the whole day until tomorrow morning. And I'll try to talk to her again, but then if this doesn't change guys, I feel like I'll have to fire her because she's not listening to me. So imagine if I have visitors and then like it's a bit chaotic here in the flat. Let me just show you how the clothes are. Like, can you see how it is like in the dining room? Like you can't really like sit, like you see how it is. So I'll have to talk to her about the pub thing and the dishes, but then if she doesn't listen, I'll have to fire her because this is not gonna work here. So imagine if I have visitors, like you see, it means Mina, like I'll have to pack the dishes and also clean up. And the previous nanny, what she used to do was make sure that the dishes are cleaned and they are packed before she leaves on a Sunday, because I understand it's usually her day off, she doesn't do anything, but Saturdays the previous nanny made sure that there are no dishes, and she used to pack up the clothes. Yo, like yo, now I'm done guys, like I'm done. But let's just quickly do breakfast because you can see baby's now a bit fussy. I had to carry him because he was busy messing up that side. Fana, well hello, let's just make breakfast.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Yeah.
guys, so I'm just going to close off this vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed our Sunday morning, because I just saw Ningelungi like vlogging the whole day. It's not really easy, hey, especially having a child, and also because he's busy like touching things. So I need to remove him like from touching certain things like TV, speakers. So yeah, do enjoy the rest of your week.